Next question is from Anne. What are the print and pocket card files? So Renee did a quick answer, very good answer. What happens with those files like these? So the print ones are made for printing, and if you look at all the elements are all being separate, so I would assume that would be fairly easy for someone with a cutting machine, for example, to cut out those pieces, or just print them and use scissors and cut them out. So for anyone who's doing hybrid scrapbooking or still paper scrapbooking, you could use these. Notice that in many cases, those will have also matching elements. Look at this wreath here. There's another one here that has texture and outline. Others have bevels. So they are similar. So these ones are probably going to be used more for printing, which is why they're called print, while these ones are going to be used for digital scrapbooking. And yes, Anne says that those this is just a preview. So if you download them, they are separate. That's even better. But I guess you could even put them all in one and print the whole thing too if you want. But it's a good idea to only print whatever you need. And the ones that have a pocket, I don't know if I have that one. No, I didn't get one. Oh yeah, the pocket cards. Again, they are all separate cards and they can be printed and cut and used in the pockets for those project life that exist. I don't know how popular they still are, but you can definitely use the same. They are PNG and you can just use them in a regular digital project. And there is actually one class that was called Pocket Scrapbooking, which kind of simulates the idea of having pockets. So where they are placed like side by side as if they were in different pockets, but with a digital version, you can add elements in between, which you can't do as easily when you have just pockets. So Renee says that they're still very popular. I kind of thought that they were less popular, but I guess I'm not following that trend very much. So those cards here, there can be really interesting elements that you can use because for some of them, they are decorative. Many of them will have a little bit of an area where you can add some text. So you can use them basically like journaling tags if you want. Some are just decorative, like this one is probably more decorative than functional, if you can call it like that. While this one has plenty of room to add a story, date, or even maybe a photo too. It can be used also as a mat for another photo. You can use this one. Why not put a photo in a circle in the middle? That's another possibility. So they can be really interesting. And if you want to go and check the Pocket Scrapbooking Masterclass, I was not using pocket cards, but you can see where you can integrate them anyways. Hey there! I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the campus!